Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Instagram story music feature not available. Okay, first things first, open Instagram and tap your story at the top left corner of the screen. You can either upload a photo or take a quick video to start your story. To add music to your story, tap the little smiley face icon at the top right corner of the screen. In the middle of the screen, you'll see a sticker called Music. If it is not there, you can also hit the search bar and type music and select it. If you still don't see the music sticker, here's what you can do. Take a screenshot of your Instagram screen to capture the issue. Include screenshot and upload the screenshot you took to show Instagram the issue you are facing. Describe the problem and in the text box, explain the situation. For example, mention that you have updated your app but still can't access the music feature for your story. Submit then the report by hitting send to submit it to Instagram. After that, just patiently wait for the customer support of Instagram to chat you. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Instagram story music feature not available. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.